So this is going to be embarrassing, but I'm going to tell you, I paid to move my junk. 10 out of 10, I would not recommend doing it. I said in earlier videos, I've moved recently. So in the process of moving, packing things, I thought I had really, really, really packed up everything for myself. My past self was all packed. And as we started to move things, and I'm lugging things, and we're taking my grandmother's desk up 3 flights, down 3 flights, we're doing things, movers are doing things, I realized that I just packed my clutter, put it in boxes, and moved my clutter to the new location. So it's so hard to get rid of things that are sentimental. I mean, believe me, I know. But I paid to move all that clutter. When I got to the new place and I realized how much stuff I'd brought with me that I didn't really need or use, that table that you think 100% I'm going to use, that picture you think there's no chance I'm going to keep this because I'm going to use it, is really hard to get rid of. So all said and done, I had to have somebody come and haul my junk away and pay them again to move the stuff that I had moved to my new place. So 10 out of 10 would not recommend packing your clutter.